doing? Are you guys spooning? Oh, you guys laying together? Oh, you look so cute. Look at the lovebirds. Dad caught you laying together. Oh, don't get up. Gotta go lay with your boyfriend. I caught you. I caught you. You got stinky morning breath. Stinky morning breath. Nope, get down. No, I don't want your stinky breath. Kiss Zeus with your breath. Kiss Zeus. Is that your boyfriend? Is that your boyfriend, Kiya? Yes, it is. That's your boyfriend. Zeus, is that your girlfriend? Is Kiya your girlfriend? Yeah. You two are little lovebirds. Oh, look at the lovebirds kissing. Don't you don't you get up there. Don't you get up there. Go kiss your boyfriend.